Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi viewers here and welcome back to my IT tutorial videos. So in this videos, we will gonna talk about BGP, specifically eBGP. So BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocol, and EGP is iBGP, it's become Internal Border Gateway Protocol. So it is appearing is a network relationship between BGP routers that are still in the same AS, autonomous system. iBGP is usually done if an AS has two or more BGP routers that function as entrances and exits of routing with information. And then between these doors, all BGP routers are connected to the peering with peering so that the route information can pass through this AS to go to the next AS. So in BGP peering, there are several rules. It is iBGP peering must be full mass between router. This is because between router connected to iBGP cannot pass through this AS to the next AS. Okay, and then router that connected to iBGP cannot route forward information from one IB peering to the another iBGP peering. Everything must be sent directly by the sender of the information and received directly by the sender of the information. Yeah, and received directly by the recipient. And you can also could say that the information is sent without the intermediary of another router. And then when routing information is sent between iBGP peers, the information must be in routing table of an IGP routing protocol such as OSPF, ERP, and the others. Otherwise, the routing information will not arrive at its destination. This is also called synchronization. And the last one is when the BGP routers receive information from EDP, A, B, C, D, E, or its external border available. It will then be forwarded to the router connected to IBGP. The router connected to IBGP. So BGP1 connected to the IBGP, you know. And the attributes of the routing information will be not changed, including the next hop or gateway will be remain pure as obtained from the previous EBGP peers. Okay. So in here, let's just go to the left. Okay, wait. Okay, in here we'll just make the new one, the new file, practice of iBGP theory. Okay, then we add it. We're just gonna add two there in here. Let's go down to okay, save. And I will connect each other. But before that, we must turn it on first. Start with. And okay, connect the cable. Okay, so the first one that we want to do is add first the text for the information like the IP and something else. So here it is for the lookup of router 1 and we duplicate it, and then it is for the router 2 is going to be 2, 2, 2, and 2, which last 32. Yes. Okay, and then also don't forget that the physical interface is going to be something 12, 12, 12. and 1 is less than 4. Okay, I will, okay, this in, and then add 0 slash 0, and then we make it one more. We make it one more. We will make it one more. Okay. And here with the last digit is 2. This last one. Okay, it's done. And don't forget to name it first. Wait. So it will be IB, IBGP peer care. So we know okay. Okay, that's cool. We are done with the, like the whole, how say it, the the preface. Okay, so at first we're going to add the interface, right? So one and then two. Display enter. No. And then just click enter and now this will make anyways much time. I'm sorry for that. Okay. We'll display the page is done, then we enable it and then go to conversion terminal section mode and then we will give it in first. It is router 1 and then router 2 enter enable configuration terminal and hostname router 2. Okay, and then in here let's directly add the IP, the physical IP. So interface A0/0 shutdown IP address 112.12.12 and 1 which less 24. The last will be 0, then also with router 2, and then just A0/0 no shutdown and IP address 12.12.12 and 2 with the same graphics as before. Enter. Okay, now we're continue to the loopback IP. It is as loopback 0 IP add. The 1.1.1 and then with prefix 32 1.1 prefix. Let me do this. Then also with the also in router 2 with one loopback IP. Interface with like 0 IP add 2 and then with same prefix as router 1 loop. Okay. And then we're going to make the router BGP. Router BGP. We will just give it the autonomous system 12 and then in the first also router BGP. The autonomous system is with 12. Okay, it's done. And then also we're going to configure the next is network network and in here you will give it the IP of your network and to remote as well. Same in here, router BGP swap, the neighbor, and then the IP, and one, then remote as well. Because the autonomous system of each is same, so when you want to do remote, it will be same, like remote AS 12. And if the other router is the AS is 12, it will be 12 also. Now in here there is a notification that network 12, 12, 12 element is out. It means they are connected each other. Okay, sure. iBGP, okay, there's one. Okay, okay. They just know each other, but they didn't, you know more deep. Okay, let's go to the next configuration. Next configuration is we check the summary of BGP. Just make sure that this one is zero, it is no matter, doesn't matter. And then we exit and then go to P12 and then we will add the network of the loopback. This one, okay? So it will be, then I will add this IP loopback 1.1 to the network. This network 1.1 and the mask also. Okay, this is done. And then go to router 2. Same as before, this BGP well, and then network 2.2.2 with the mask is slash 32. Okay, it is done, and then after okay, the next thing will be we will do thing it is work or not, and then yes, it's work, it's success, it's success, and then we will check the IPBGP summary. Okay, in here there must be TVX and RCD. It's increase become one. It is mean that the router has received the other router IP or something like that. Yeah, let's check the IP route BGP. The routing table of BGP. This is usual IP route. No, show IP, wait, so BGP. Now, the network is already received the outside network, the router to loopback network. So the mark is valid and then dash, so it can be connected and then communicated with it. So yeah, that is and just like we can see in the BGP, there is the work that means the BGP is already get into the global IP route. So we can ping it, we can connect it, we can communicate with it. And then for the last, we will do a thing. Okay, from router 1 to, sorry, router 1 to router 2, it is scan. And then from the router 2 to router 1, scan. Okay, so maybe that is all for me. Thank you very much for listening, and then thank you very much for paying attention. And then, yeah, what I said. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake. I am so sorry. And then that is all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.